Hello, welcome to this video. In this video I am going to discuss about the row function. This function returns the row number of a reference. In first scenario I am providing the reference. Here I am typing the function. Now function arguments dialog box displayed on screen. This function consists of single functional argument which is named as reference. In that reference, now I am providing D3. Click on OK. Now application returned result as 3. Let us check with one more example. Now I am provided the reference as A6. Click on OK. Now application returned output as 6. In second scenario, I am not providing the reference. I am closing the bracket without providing the value for the functional argument. If the user didn't provide any reference, then application returns active cell row number. Drag the handle. Now application returned row numbers for all the selected rows. In this way, we can retrieve row numbers by using row function. Hope this video is useful to everyone. Thanks for watching.